My goal for you, what I really want for you, is as you're working and you're hustling to build your business and become known for what you do and being extraordinary in the way that you serve people, that the amount of time you spend hustling that is here starts to fall on the scale, and the amount of time and attraction of clients just finding you and seeking you out goes to here. So you can spend more time doing what you love, which is servicing those clients and creating systems to be able to handle capacity, rather than trying to find the next one and the next one and the next one.
I love Jason. He has such a way of delivering the goods to help us with our business. It's definitely something to attend and come listen to him anytime he's speaking.
What do you guys think of that? What is that verge? The recovery time? How is everyone familiar with recovery time when it comes to athletics? Yeah, that's a pretty good, significant sample. I think that would be safe to use.
Especially good thing about this seminar is the fact that Jason takes time with each participant to really get to the core of their business.
Let today be about that discovery, because there's a lot of, I'm going to really share with you a lot of structures, but the real creativity, the real juice, the really good stuff is going to come from you.
I've been to a lot of sales and marketing seminars, and those seminars just touch on ideas and things, and there's really no help. This is actually a workshop where you're actually writing things down and getting clarification, being able to ask questions.
5 years ago, I was 310 pounds, and I've lost about 150 pounds. And thanks! Thank you. No one cheers on your way up, though, do they? It's gonna be such a great story, eat that donut.
I really enjoyed Jason's workshop today, and the thing that I think that's really valuable is that Jason forces you to ask the questions of yourself and your own business so you can really get a good focus.
I want to encourage you to actually think a little bit bigger. What I heard from a lot of you was really doable. And like, when was the last time you celebrated doing something doable? You know what I mean? It's like, I mowed the lawn. You know, victory. I mowed the lawn. You know, it was doable. Thank you very much, everyone.